Top 10 HVAC service in Stockton. 1. Grizzly Heating and Air, 516 reviews, East Turner Road. 2. Simi Heating and Air Incorporated, 544 reviews, Bristol Avenue. 3. Queirolo's Heating and Air Conditioning Inc., 536 reviews, West LN. 4. Huft Home Services Elk Grove, 4.9, 2,238 reviews, Iron Rock Way. 5. Jaguar Heating and Air, 4.9, 2057 reviews, W Street. 6. Greener Solutions Heating and SC, 4.9, 1199 reviews, W Fremont Street. 7. Delta Sierra Mechanical, 4.9, 1147 reviews, W Fremont Street. 8. RB HVAC Incorporated, 4.9, 187 reviews, Silent Grove Court. 9. Comfort Air Inc., 4.99 reviews, French Camp Turnpike. 10. B&B Heating and Air Conditioning Inc., 4.8, 64 reviews, Weber Avenue.